Hello guys, in this tutorial we will try to know how to manipulate date in SQL. So let's open the new query window. This is the new query window. So I just want to get the current date by using GETDATE function. Select GETDATE, I just want to add alias current date. This is the current date by using GETDATE function. So if we want to cast the date to SQL the only date format on, so select GETDATE and then we just need to add cast here, cast function. So this means we will SQL only date. So only current date. So if I execute this, here it is. We just have this is the date only. We skipped here on the time part from this date. So if we display again the time with a date, so we just need to write date time. So if I execute this, here it is. This is the date with time. So in this way we can cast a date and date time. Now we just want to see how do we convert a date. So select convert and then date comma GETDATE function. So just want to add alias current date. So if I execute this, this means we have only date. So if we use here time, here it is. This is full time, date and time. So we can use cast or we can use convert function to SQL date and date with time. So I just want to add another function and another conversion for to SQL month, day, year and time with meridian. So how do we SQL this? We just want to give here NVARCHAR. So NVARCHAR and then GETDATE and then comma then 100. If we select this section, here it is. This is December 9 and 2019 with time and meridian. This is the 100 and this is the convert function. Here it is NVARCHAR. We can use the size. I just want to give the 50 here. So this is the we have seen the same result. So if we get the result like get the result for like /dd/yyyy So how do we achieve? By using convert function. So we just need to give here 101. Here the difference between these two select statement. Here it is. This is month, this is day, and this is month, year. So by using this convert function, by using the value 101, we will achieve these types of format by using convert function. So if we use 108, so how is the result? Here the only time part. So this means that if we achieve the full date with like this, we can use here 100, and if we use this format, we just add 101, and if we use on the time format with 24 hour, we just have to use 108. So in this way we can use convert function to manipulate our SQL query. Now I will try to give some example for format function in SQL. So how do we use format function in SQL? I just want to give the result like this month, then day, then year, then hour, then minute, then second, then meridian. So how do we achieve? By using format function in SQL. So select format. Inside the format we need to give two parameter. First one is get date. So I just want to use the current date by using GETDATE function. GETDATE and comma, and now I will give the format like this is month, this is date, this is year, this is hour, this is minute, this is second, and meridian. So if I execute this section, here it is. We have result like month, day, year, and time with meridian. So by using format function we can achieve these types of date format. So if we want to see by hyphen, we just need to replace slash by using hyphen. So here it is. So if I want to display the day in first, and then month, then year, so how is the result? This is the result. This is day, this is month, this is year, and then time period. So in this way we can use format function to use date format in our SQL query. So if we want to display in 24-hour format, we just need to remove the date part here. 12-hour format, we just need to give like this. Here it is. This is that only this is only time part. So I just want to display this is the time part only. If I remove the date, this is, so this is hour, minute, second and meridian format. So if I want to display 24 hour, so I just need to give here sorry, I just want to display the only hour and minute, so we need to remove second and TT. Here the result. So if I want to display the 24 hour, so we just give the ace in capital. Here the result. This means this is 12 and this is ace, so this is 01. That means this is 24 hour date format. So in this way we can use format function in our SQL query. So if this is the result for meridian, so if I want to display the result for 24 hour and with date, so dd/mmm then year. So how is the result? Here it is. This is 10 December 2019, 01 minute. So in this way we can achieve the DEC format by using triple M. So this is another example to display or to use date in our SQL query. Now I just want to give an example for DATETIME function. So DATETIME function. So DATETIME function, how do we use DATETIME function? In our SQL query, this is the DATETIME function, this is year and this is to date. By using two dates, we just want to the difference between two dates to achieve year. So this is for between two dates we will have a result for 4 years. So we can use here month to achieve the difference between two dates. 46 month. This is the 46 month between two dates. If we use minutes, this is the total minutes for between two dates. In this way we can achieve second here. This is the second. So in this way we can use DATETIME function between two dates, and this DATETIME function gives us the result for year, month, minute and second. So in this way we can use DATETIME function in our SQL query. Now I just want to use the DATENAME function. DATENAME function. DATETIME function. So how do we use? Here the DATETIME function, this is the year, this is the date, and this is alias. From this date we just want to display the year name. So how we will get the result? This is 2019 by using our date. This is the DATETIME function. So if we if we want to display the month name, so here month, this is December. So if we want to display the day, this is 16. From this date we can see the 16 is the day. So in this way we can get the hour. We just need to add hour here, 10:15 p.m. So if I execute this section, here hour 10 means 22 in 24 hours. So this is the hour name or hour. So if we want to display the minute, if we then we have to use here minute, and minute value is 15. So this is 15, and in this way we can use DATETIME function. And another now we just want to see how do we use day function in SQL. So here it is. This is the day function, this is the date. So if I execute this, here it is 16. From this date we can see the 16 is the day. So in this way we can use day function in SQL. Now we just want to see the how do we use DATETIME function in SQL. So this is the DATETIME function. This is year, this is interval, and this is a number that can be added to our date. So if I execute this, we have 2019. So if I add the 1, our result will, and this is the 2020. So if I add here 5, so this is 2024. This is the result. So in this way we can add here our, if I add hour, and in this way we can minute, this is the minute. So this is the addDate function, and this addDate function is used in our SQL query. So I just want to add I just want to give an example for isDate function. So isDate function is used in our SQL query to validate the date. So isDate, this is isDate. So if I execute this, it returns 1, means this is the valid date. So if I use here 25, so here the 0, because this is not valid date. This is valid date, is used in our SQL query to validate our date. So in this way we can use isValidate date in our SQL query. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Keep watching the next video. Thanks.